Hi everybody, happy Friday from CNS Corvettes. I'm Steve, I'm the owner here at CNS, and I'm bringing you just a really short video today to show you something that we found rather interesting here today. Through the years, we've seen a lot of people have tire problems on their Corvettes, from running them bald to road hazards, you name it. And we found some rather unusual things in tires through the years, from pieces of lawnmower blades to nuts and bolts and screwdrivers, all sorts of weird stuff. On this particular tire, we found something that we thought to be really amusing, and I thought I'd share it with you. And this kind of brings into light the thoughts of when you buy new tires, paying the additional few dollars for road hazard insurance. Because this tire that I'm going to show you in a second here is a $325 tire that is 2 weeks old. Let me show you what we've got. Okay, here's our nice new Michelin tire. This is what we found. You see this hole where my finger is going into the tire right here? What we found is this piece of a paint gun. This is half of a paint gun like you would use for touch-up or to paint the interior of your car. Obviously they had run over a complete paint gun that fragmented. This piece of it went in through this hole and wound up inside the tire. When we rolled this tire, you could hear it clunking around. Put it on the tire machine and found this inside. Weird stuff happens to tires. Pay the few extra dollars, get the road hazard insurance. When that happens, if they can't fix it, which they obviously couldn't hear, you get a new tire out of the deal. Pretty good deal for your money, especially when you're talking about some of the higher dollar tires on some of the nicer cars, where you can spend $300, $400, $500 on a tire pretty quickly. Good insurance. That being said, just thought you'd enjoy seeing this. It's something that has made everyone around here kind of laugh, and I wanted to share it with you. Thanks for watching us. Like, follow, do all that good stuff for me, and we'll hope to see you again the next time. Thanks for watching.